Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, how many sums we have completed in exercise 2.5? Third Roman completed, fourth Roman, first term we have completed. Now, write the second question, children. What is given? 2a minus 3b whole cube. 2a minus 3b whole cube. Okay. So, which identity you have to take here? Which identity you have to take here? It is in the form of a minus b whole cube, no. So, compare the given expression with a minus b whole cube formula. Okay. So, what is the formula a minus b whole cube formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is the formula for a minus b whole cube. So here what is a? Here a equal to what is a? 2a. And b is equal to what is b? 3b. Okay. Now we can substitute like that. 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to a cube. What is a cube here? 2a whole cube minus b. What is b here? 3b. 3b whole cube minus 3 into a. What is a? 2a into b. What is b? 3b into a minus b. That means 2a minus 3b. 2a minus 3b. Okay. So 2 cube means how much? 2 2's 4, 4 2's 8. 8 a cube minus 3 cube. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. 27 b cube minus 3 2 6, 6 3 is 18 ab into 2a minus 3b is the answer. Did you understand, children? How is this identity? It is the given expression with identity a minus b whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube formula. What is the formula? A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here what is a? A is 2a and b is 3b. Okay. Now compare this identity. So a cube means 2a whole cube minus b cube means 3b whole cube minus 3 into a means 2a, b means 3b into a minus b, that means 2a minus 3b. 2 cube how much? 8. A cube minus 3 cube means how much? 27. B cube minus 3 2 6, 6 3 is 18. AB into 2a minus 3b. Okay, children? Did you understand? Come on, right. Okay, next, third one you can do homework ma. That is x plus y plus z whole square formula. Okay, now write the fourth one. A by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square. So how is this expression? It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. So compare the given expression with x plus y plus z whole square. What is the formula? X plus y plus z whole square. X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2xz. Okay. So here x is equal to what is that? A by 4 and y equal to minus b by 2 and z is equal to 1. Okay. Now you have to substitute in this formula. So therefore a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to x square. X square means a by 4 whole square plus y square. Y square means minus b by 2 whole square plus z square. That means 1 square plus 2xy. 2 into x. What is x? A by 4 into y. What is y? Minus b by 2. Minus b by 2 plus 2yz. Y means minus b by 2 z 1 plus 2 into xz. X means a by 4 z. What is that? 1. Okay, now simplify. A by 4 whole square means how much? A square by 4 square means 16. Next, plus minus b square means b square by 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 1. Next, here minus is there. So minus, here 2, these 2 will be cancelled. So minus a into b, ab by 4. Here plus into minus minus. Here 2, these 2 will be cancelled. Minus b into 1 minus b. Here 2 1s, 2 2s. So a by 2 into 1 means a by 2. So plus a by 2 is the answer. Did you understand that? So how is this expression? It is in the form of x plus y plus z whole square. What is that formula? X square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So what is x here? X is, wait for 1 minute, ma'am. So here what is x? X is a by 4. Y. What is y? Minus b by 2. Z. What is that? 1. Now substitute in this formula. Okay. So a by 4 minus b by 2 plus 1 whole square is equal to x square. X value is a by 4 whole square plus y square. Y means minus b by 2 whole square plus z square. That is 1 square plus 2xy. 2 into x is a by 4 into y means minus b by 2 plus 2yz. 2 into y means minus b by 2, z means 1 plus 2 into zx, that is a by 4 into 1. So a square by 4 square means 16 plus minus b square means b square by 2 square means 4 plus 1 square means 1. Here plus of minus minus. Here 2 will be cancelled. A into b, ab by 4. Here 2 will be cancelled. Minus b into 1 minus b plus here 2 1s, 2 2's cancelled. So a by 2 into 1 is a by 2 only. Okay. Did you understand, ma'am? Come on, write. Okay, next fifth sum you can do homework, ma'am. Now write the sixth question. x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So which you have to compare the identity? Which identity you have to compare this one? X minus y whole cube. That means a minus b whole cube. Okay. So compare the given expression with x minus y whole cube. You can take any letters, no problem. A minus b whole cube or x minus y whole cube, no problem. Okay. So what is the formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y is the formula. X minus y whole cube formula is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. Here x is equal to, what is that? X only, and y equal to minus 2 by 3 y. X is equal to x only, y is equal to 2 by 3 y. Now compare this expression. X minus 2 by 3 into y whole cube is equal to x cube. What is x? X cube minus y cube. That means 2 by 3 y whole cube minus 3 into x. What is x? X only. Into y. 2 by 3 y into x minus y. That means x minus 2 by 3 y. Okay. Now simplify. X cube minus 2 cube means how much? 8 by 3 cube means 27y cube minus 3 will be cancelled. X 2 into x into y, how much? 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. X cube minus 8 by 27y cube minus 2 into x, how much? 2x square y minus of minus plus 2 into 2, 4 by 3 xy into y, xy square. Okay? Did you understand now? So how you have to compare this expression? X minus y whole cube. What is that formula? X cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So what is x here? First one is x only. Y is 2 by 3y. Okay, now you have to substitute in this formula. X cube minus y cube means 2 by 3y whole cube minus 3xy. So 3 into x into 2 by 3 into y into x minus 2 by 3y. So x cube minus 2 cube is 8 by 3 cube is 27 y cube minus, here 3 will be cancelled. So 2 into x into y, how much? 2xy into x minus 2 by 3y. Okay, x cube minus 8 by 27 y cube minus 2 into xy into x, how much? X square y minus of minus plus 2 2's 4 by 3 x into y into y square. Okay, come on, right.